Can you guess these flags? The last one reserved for experts. Let's go. Number 1. India. Number 2. France. Number 3. Argentina. Got the first 3 right? Then hit that share button and challenge your friends to beat your score. Number 4. Germany. Number 5. Australia. Number 6. Russia. Number 7. Spain. Number 8. Canada. Number 9. UK. This is the final logo. Drop your score in the comments. Let's see who really nailed it. Number 10. Think you know this one? Tell us in the comments.